everyone, Derek Cattoor, Concept Agri-tek. Hey, you might remember earlier in the year we were side dressing this field in about the exact same spot with some K13, S17, and calcium. Our first shot at 30-inch beans in several years, planted on April 13th. As you can see, the yield's pretty good for our part of the country. Dryland beans running mid-70s. Of course, always hoping for more. Well, my early planted 30-inch row beans working out pretty good. I mean, not hitting any hundreds, but seeing a 90s every once in a while. Very consistent is what I see. Pretty happy with the overall result. You know, first time I planted beans that early in the first part of April, I was too nervous to drop the population below about 125,000. So, you know, you can really see down there that beans branched pretty well. There's some branches kind of hanging down, but you know, I think a little lower population might have helped us there. But no, another successful season with the Concept Agri-tek products, and looking forward to making a few tweaks and hitting it again next year. So hope everybody's having a safe harvest, and good luck the rest of the way.